Alright, got another PVC train horn for you, and this is the K5LLA, and I've done it in the redding green colors. See here. This is a more complex version to go on your vehicle. The number 1 bell is facing backwards, just like the real locomotive horn that they put on the locomotives, instead of all facing one way. It really turned out good. Like I said, it's more complex. This thing's for sale for, I think, $310. Like I said, it's more complex than the other ones, the way the air manifold and all that is on it, but it really looks nice. And this kind of horn here doesn't need to belong underneath the vehicle. It needs to go on top, and it really turned out really good. I'm going to blow it for you now. It's the K5LLA. Get it back here where be too muffled, I don't think, but we'll see. Alright, here we go. K5LLA. Oh, that really echoes. Alright, thanks for watching.